That's the old big trail. Here is the right side of the driveway, and there's the back line. The trees where that big pile of brush is basically in the center of it. Oops. And then you can see it's looking east. It's cleared all the way down there. It's kind of hard to really get a depth. And that's looking again straight back south. And then you come here and you're looking straight west. There's about 50 foot of trees, and just beyond that there's about 100 foot of clearing. And back down that way where the dozer's at is where the shop is. And you turn around and go this way behind us, and that's the drive.